How long does it take to get a TWIC card?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to be discussing an important topic for those involved in the maritime and shipping industry. We're talking about the Transportation Worker Identification Credential, or as it's more commonly known, the TWIC card. More specifically, we're going to break down how long it typically takes to receive your TWIC card once you've applied.
What is a TWIC card?
Before diving into the timeline, let's briefly explain what a TWIC card is. It's a vital ID card that's issued by the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, to maritime workers. It gives them unescorted access to secure areas of the nation's maritime facilities and vessels. So, if you work in this industry, this card is a must-have.
What is the application process?
To get a TWIC card, you'll need to apply through the TSA. The process typically involves providing biographic and biometric information such as fingerprints, completing a security threat assessment, and paying the associated fees. You'll also need to provide required documentation to verify your identity and eligibility.
So, how long does it take to get a TWIC card?
Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. Once you've submitted your application and completed your in-person appointment, you'll be waiting for your TWIC card to arrive. The processing time can vary based on several factors, including the accuracy of the information provided and the results of the security threat assessment. However, the TSA usually states that it will take about 7 to 10 days from the time of application for pre-enrollment applicants to receive their TWIC card. But it's important to note that this timeline can be extended up to 6 to 8 weeks, particularly if there are any issues or discrepancies in the application. So, when planning your work schedule, it's smart to allow for this extended timeline to make sure you don't find yourself without the necessary credentials. There you have it. You now have a better understanding of the TWIC card and the typical processing time. Remember, the key is to ensure that your application is accurate and complete to avoid any unnecessary delays. We hope this video has been helpful and we wish you a smooth and quick TWIC card application process. Thank you for watching, and safe travels.